Hi guys, this is TechWord. Here on the screen is Airdrop Airdrop Krain.ai. So at initial point, if you enter through this link, what you have to do now is you click on the link in the description below. Then it will take you to this part, this place you are seeing now on the screen now. So what you have to do is you connect your wallet. Just click connect wallet. So I connected, let me cancel it and show you something. Already registered your wallet, connect your wallet, create, then come haven't connect wallet. You can log in. Okay. Let's say we want to connect MetaMask. Let's say you want to connect MetaMask. You just click. I just click MetaMask now. Click connected. Then confirm the MetaMask. Then you can see it say assets. One last step by signing up. One last step by signing up. You say assets. This is it. So immediately you use my referral link to register, you'll be given 6,000 points. Isn't good enough? You'll be given 6,000 points. So you have to use my link in the referral to register, to sign in. So what you do now, come over to the dashboard. This is the dashboard, and this is the so so this is the dashboard, and this is the preference. So it's just there's no two ways about it. Your account successfully created. The other one is the wallet. I've connected wallet. The other one is S account. You have to connect your S account to earn 2,000 points available. Then your email, you have to register your email so that you're able to earn 3,000. That is for that. Then when you come over to the node, the dashboard, you're able to see everything you've connected. So there are other tasks that are also coming in this Krain airdrop status. There are tasks that are also coming in the Krain status output. So when you come, you say complete profile. Let's say we want to connect our S now. Let me go to the S and show you something in the Krain. So you say you to authorize, then you come over to verification, say verification fee. So what we will do now, let's go over to their S manually. On their Twitter's account, you can see it. It says the infrastructure layer fueling the AI agent. And they have 122,000 followers, and they are following 100 or something. So I'll say follow. Then when you check their post, they posted on the 15th, say how to sign up for this Krain. Then you other sign up base, endpoints and everything. So they are still coming up, which we need to follow them strictly. You see Krain catcher at the top Solana AI mine shared on a GOAT Index AI. You can see. So I believe as we follow them like this, it's very, very better that you start. It's better that you start on time with them than when you are not you start in at your TGA month. It is better you start with them now. So anything they are providing, anything they are listening, anything they are any task, you'll be able to be claiming them so that you have a maximum allocation. So this is all about Krain. This is all about Krain. For now, they have just a little platform, a little interface for you to earn and everything. Just more are also coming. More are also coming. So do well to use my link in the description so that you'll be able to earn 6,000 points instantly, and then do the rest little ones. Then wait for them to bring more tasks and everything. Then do your referral link, send it to your friends and everyone so that they'll be able to earn and to participate in this Krain airdrop. So thank you very much.